Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to resize a photo without cropping in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see resize photo without cropping. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now you find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see. Now resize the picture in without cropping. Now click from tick mark option. Now we keyboard press from Ctrl T and going to the edit option. Now edit option frame 50% and hide option 25%. That it's. Now again 60% and 60%. That it's. Now you can see resize photo in without cropping in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.